Today, let's talk about adding more users to your workspace. To add more users, go to Users and Channels, and then click the Invite button. We have two ways for you to add more users to your workspace. You can do it via email, or you could do it with an invite link. So let's cover by email. You can add more users by adding their email addresses, and we have the option here to add more email addresses. You can also assign a role. Maybe you want the people that you're going to invite to become members and not an administrator. So I'm going to set this to member. And I can assign channels that I want them to join. Maybe this user should become part of the pet salon. Maybe I also want them to start answering chats for us, so I will add them to our external channel. Then I could send the invitation. We can also add users using our invite link. This is my link. Here's how I can copy it. But let's take a look at our current settings. So we have a few options here to customize this link. Maybe I want to turn on administrator approval for activation, and this will require an owner or an administrator to approve the user. I can also require an email domain matching. If I turn that on, I can add the domain that I'd like. That way people can use their work email and not their personal email. I can also assign a default role when using this invite link. So I'm going to set this as a member. So we can also add default channels for our workspace link. So by default, the general channel cannot be removed, but I can add more channels here. So right now I have the cats channel, but maybe I also want to add people to the dogs channel that use our workspace link. We can also add a link expiration date. So if I turn this on, I can select a date, and I can also add a time. But I'm going to turn this off for now. I'm going to update my link and then click copy. Now I can share this with users through text messages or through my social media posts if I wanted to create a community, or I could send a company-wide email for everyone to join my workspace.